Are you curious about the countless ways Vicks Vaporub can make your life better? Look no further than our must-watch video. Today, we will dish out all the juicy details on how this versatile ointment can help you kick that stubborn cold, ease muscle aches, and even banish pesky insects. It's like a superhero in a tiny jar. Watch now and prepare to be wowed. 1. Repelling insects. This versatile ointment features menthol and eucalyptus oil, natural deterrents for bugs and mosquitoes. Many outdoor enthusiasts swear by Vicks Vaporub as an effective way to ward off pesky insects during camping trips or outdoor activities. Its potent scent masks the human body's natural odors that attract bugs, making it an invaluable tool for anyone spending time in nature. Apply a thin layer of Vicks on exposed skin or clothing to create a barrier that insects find unappealing. Whether you lounge in your backyard or embark on a wilderness adventure, consider adding Vicks Vaporub to your arsenal for natural insect repelling. 2. Lubrication of a squeaking door. Vicks Vaporub uses its menthol and eucalyptus oil content to create a lubricant that reduces hinge friction. This feature provides a quick fix for annoying door squeaks. This unconventional use demonstrates the versatility of this household product and saves the hassle of purchasing specialized lubricants for minor household nuisances. Moreover, the distinctive scent of Vicks can bring a refreshing aroma into your living space. This dual functionality of easing noisy hinges while emitting an invigorating aroma showcases the advantage of adding Vicks Vaporub to daily household maintenance. 3. Training pets. While it may seem unbelievable, Vicks Vaporub has proven to be an effective deterrent against dogs urinating in your living space and cats from scratching furniture. The strong scent of menthol and eucalyptus in Vicks Vaporub creates an unpleasant environment for pets, deterring them from marking their territory or causing damage to furniture. Vicks' cooling sensation from menthol can also prevent pets from getting too close to surfaces where the product is present. 4. Aromatherapy. Vicks Vaporub is a robust substance for aromatherapy, offering various benefits beyond relieving congestion. The careful blend of essential oils in Vicks Vaporub aids in stress relief and relaxation, making it a valuable tool for promoting mental well-being. The aromatic compounds also have the potential to improve sleep quality, which is crucial for overall health and productivity. Moreover, inhaling these soothing scents can stimulate the limbic system in the brain, which is responsible for regulating emotions and memories. It implies using Vicks Vaporub provides physical relief, has the power to uplift one's mood, and enhances emotional balance. Aromatherapy through products like Vicks represents a holistic approach to wellness, tapping into the mind-body connection to promote healing on multiple levels. 5. Prevents infection. The powerful ingredients in Vicks Vaporub, such as camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol, possess antimicrobial and antiviral properties. These properties make it an effective measure for preventing infections from common pathogens. When applied topically or inhaled, Vicks Vaporub creates a barrier against invading pathogens, helping to reduce the risk of respiratory problems, such as colds and flu. Besides, the aromatic vapors from Vicks Vaporub can clear nasal passages and soothe irritated airways. This process relieves congestion and prevents secondary infections arising from prolonged nasal congestion. Vicks Vaporub plays a significant role in keeping the respiratory system healthy and less susceptible to infection by maintaining clear airways and reducing inflammation. 6. Relieves headache. Vicks Vaporub is a trusted remedy for alleviating headaches, thanks to its unique combination of ingredients. Vicks menthol and eucalyptus oil content generates a cooling sensation when you apply it to the temples or forehead. This process offers instant relief from tension and stress-related headaches. In addition, the camphor in Vicks has mild analgesic properties, reducing headache discomfort by soothing irritated nerves. Applying Vicks Vaporub on the chest and throat can also help relieve sinus congestion, often contributing to headache symptoms. The potent aroma of eucalyptus and menthol can open up nasal passages and ease pressure in the sinuses, thereby indirectly addressing the root cause of headaches. This holistic approach makes Vicks Vaporub a versatile tool for combating various headaches without relying solely on over-the-counter painkillers. 7. Relieves bruises and heals wounds. Its menthol and camphor components create a cooling sensation on the skin, which can reduce pain and inflammation from bruises. Besides, the eucalyptus oil in Vicks has natural antiseptic properties that can help prevent infections in minor wounds or cuts. Petroleum jelly base, another component of Vicks, creates a protective barrier over wounds, keeping them moist and promoting faster healing. This dual-action approach makes Vicks Vaporub an effective remedy for minor injuries and bruises. 8. Prevents and cures acne. Acne is a common skin condition affecting millions worldwide, causing physical discomfort and emotional distress. However, one surprising remedy that prevents and heals acne is Vicks Vaporub. Menthol and eucalyptus oil have powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce acne breakouts and soothe existing blemishes. Moreover, the camphor in Vicks Vaporub helps unclog pores and eliminate bacteria, preventing the development of new pimples. You can use Vicks Vaporub as a spot treatment for acne by applying a small amount to affected areas. Its cooling sensation relieves inflammation and reduces redness and swelling associated with acne. Furthermore, regular use of Vicks Vaporub on problematic surfaces can contribute to clear, healthier-looking skin overall. Whether you use it as a preventative measure or a targeted treatment, the unexpected benefits of Vicks Vaporub in dealing with acne make it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. 9. Treats eczema. Tackling eczema can be challenging, but using Vicks Vaporub shows promise in relieving it. With its menthol and eucalyptus oil blend, Vicks Vaporub can soothe itchy and inflamed skin, offering a cooling sensation that calms the discomfort associated with eczema. Many users report significant improvement in their eczema symptoms after applying Vicks Vaporub to affected areas, making it a go-to remedy for those seeking non-prescription alternatives. This topical ointment can restore the skin's natural balance by creating a protective barrier and promoting better circulation. The aromatic scent of menthol and eucalyptus also adds a calming element that may alleviate stress-induced eczema symptoms, comforting individuals with this persistent condition. 10. Soothes earache. Another surprising use for Vicks Vaporub is its ability to soothe earaches. Its compounds reduce pain and discomfort in the ear, providing relief. Rubbing a small amount around the outer ear and gently massaging can make a comforting sensation that many people find beneficial. In addition to its soothing properties, using Vicks Vaporub for an earache may help to clear congestion in the sinuses and eustachian tubes, which can contribute to ear discomfort. The warming effect of Vicks increases blood circulation around the affected area, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. 11. Cures cracked heels. Many people are unfamiliar with Vicks' effectiveness in treating cracked heels. Famous for its soothing and moisturizing properties, Vicks Vaporub can work wonders on dry, cracked skin. Menthol and eucalyptus oil help soften the hard, calloused skin and reduce inflammation, promoting healing of the cracks. Applying a generous amount of Vicks Vaporub to the affected area before bed and covering it with socks allows the ointment to penetrate deep into the skin overnight. In the morning, you may notice a significant improvement in the condition of your heels. This unconventional use of Vicks Vaporub offers a cost-effective and convenient solution for dealing with unsightly and uncomfortable cracked heels. 12. Heals toenail fungus. The active ingredients, such as menthol and eucalyptus oil, have antifungal properties that can help combat the growth of fungi on the nails. Applying a small amount of Vicks Vaporub to the affected toenails and covering them with a bandage overnight can show significant improvement over time. Moreover, the thick consistency of Vicks Vaporub allows it to cling to the nails and penetrate deeply into the nail bed, targeting the fungus at its source. Many individuals report positive results from this unconventional remedy, emphasizing its accessibility and low cost compared to prescription medications or medical procedures. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 powerful health benefits and uses of Vicks Vaporub you need to know. Thanks for watching and bye for now.